Habakran haglap thai khobor hakasing sajan jong ketiyo bladem uni menteri khna katanat kampo yang gari ulapan paru ya kejing benyau kebajur halor kejing jur ki kamra bor jong ki kenhun kai khlau hari lum garu habakili halor ka khobor kejing syaksiat uhe katanat intelligence bureau bala syara bor uni menteri ulong bahadu mentahi umpat la ban pinti kena ya kejing yap jong uni uhe ib ulong bakade kejing ja ka basnusi hanai kapat don setia kejing pinti kena ya kejing yap jong u namar umpat lap setia ya kemendiam Uneu he katanat sentiat ke sokar pedeng ubatip keteng kum ubikas sing ubatre habak marau lara bo de kenhun kai klau men kasing balang na kathain rongra south garul sisik bat uwei unong khai habak dan halor kijing sya penyap kirunget hindu ha Bangladesh menteri khna ulong bakade ka kamram jong ka Bangladesh bahkan aja kari ya kiret pa jong kari kibasya penyap tang namal kijing phen yam ha ka bai de bakani ulong bakade kijing ba khli jong kari ban ai ka jakari ya kiret pa la ka long ya kari bat pen paru bakari India kala aja kari ya ki Bangladeshi Hindu ha India bakin lain nak jing sya penyap ben ulong baki dan bon ba ki Bangladeshi Hindu ki basa hari India de ki post nam bat ka sarkar India kalakmi ya ka bha ka miat jong ki bakla don ru ka jing terwa ban khenyo ya ki kum ki nong song shnong jong kari halor ka jing persya ban khen nong song shnong ya kini ki breu menteri khna ulong ba ya kini ki breu kinom aja ka sa tang ha kini ka than chate lamingi khen rei ha kaleng ki jala jong kari habayade bak jing beteng ha ka jing ekran nyesuk bat ke NSCNK menteri ulong bak sarkar kami kadang kwa ban beteng ya ka jing ekran nyesuk bat kani ka kanhun kabala da khat no sitang por ya ka jing ekran
in anywhere in the world if people face religious persecution whether it's in the Middle East or in India it is a duty of the neighboring country to protect them shelter to give them citizenship or not is the prerogative of the government but it's a humanitarian effort to give them shelter. Now those people who have come to India, especially under religious persecution from Bangladesh, they have been living in India for a long time. The government of India has been unable to provide them some alternatives. So only those cases are being justified, but at the same time I must make it clear that Northeast alone will not take the burden. It has to be shared by other states also, all around the country, not only Northeast.
So in regard to the Naga Peace Accord, at one point you have said everybody is open for talks. At the same time, the government of India came up with a ban on NSCNK. Why? What was the need of the ban?
It is the act of the NSCNK which has attracted this ban. It is not government of India or Home Ministry initiated. Ceasefire was going on there, unilaterally ceasefire was broken. If it was not unilaterally an act of NSCNK to abrogate the ceasefire, then there was no reason from Home Ministry to initiate this action. So it is NSCNK, they are responsible, not Home Ministry or Government of India.
So the situation in Meghalaya is very bad. I mean, IB officer has been abducted. We don't know about the fate.
I have already been briefed on this matter. It's unfortunate that this incident is presumably a case of elimination of one officer, but we don't have that concrete evidence, physical evidence yet. But the report seems to be pointing towards that he is not alive. But it's unfortunate that in Garo Hills things are not improving as we hope to be. But state government is taking all the steps to ensure and to secure the lives and properties of the people. And if we need assistance from the government of India, Home Ministry will definitely provide some assistance. But we need to come together and settle this issue. Garo Hills, the situation is quite disturbing.